Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve another trigonometric equation using cast diagram. The question is, solve sine x plus 30 degree, which is equal to 0.5. Find the possible x values between 0 and 360 that satisfy this equation. This question is slightly different because this is not exactly x. Here it is x plus 30. In order to solve this equation, we need a substitution. We are going to come up with a new variable, let's say y, which is equal to x plus 30. So we are going to rewrite the equation like sine, instead of x plus 30, I am going to say y equal 0.5. This domain is for x. For the domain for y. Domain for y is x plus 30. X plus 30 should be between then 360 plus 30 or bigger than 0 plus 30. So x plus 30 is y. That's our new variable. So y should be between 390 and 30 degree. So now we have changed the equation into a equation which is familiar to us, which is sine y is equal to 0.5, and we need to find the answers in this range. We need to first figure out which values y can take. To that, we need to choose the cast diagram. Our answer might lie in this quadrant. Our answer definitely lie in this quadrant as well as this quadrant, because this quadrant all sign values are positive, and our answer won't lie in this quadrant or this quadrant. Now let's draw the cast diagram, and we know our answer is going to be here as well as here. So let me draw a triangle. This is the first solution and this is the second solution. So y1, this is the first solution, and the second solution would be this one, y2. How can we solve this one? We will use the calculator. That first solution of y1 is sine inverse 0.5, which will give you 30 degree. So the first solution is 30 degree. We know that this angle is 30 degree. Therefore, y2 would be 180 degree minus 30 degree. Answer is 150 degree. Have we finished this question? No. What we found is y. Answer to the y. Who introduced y? We introduced this y here. So we need to get back the x values. X values. X is y minus 30, because we said y is x plus 30. So our first solution is y1 minus 30. y1 is 30 degree. 30 degree minus 30 degree is 0, 0. And x2 is y2 minus 30 degree. It is 150. y2 is 150 minus 30 degree will give you 120 degree. So solution to our question are 0 degree and 120 degree. Thank you. Please move on to next video.